Hello, I will show you how to install the 50 degrees north window pocket in the VW California or the VW Multivan. Along with the pocket, we provide you with this mounting plate, which is covered with felt. 2 acrylic glass elements, 2 wing screws, 3 foam elements, 2 carriage bolts, and 2 felt points. We will need all of this later. First, let's take a look at the mounting plate together. The mounting plate has a flexible felt tab at the bottom and a 10 mm wide flexible felt edge all around. At the top, 2 holes are prepared where the pocket will be fixed. For this, we need the supplied carriage bolts. The carriage bolt is inserted from the back, from the side that will face the window pane, through the hole. Then we carefully place one of the acrylic glass elements so that the north inscription is readable, and turn one of the wing screws securely and firmly until it stops. The wing screw is now very much securely tightened firmly and securely so that the square of the carriage bolt pulls into the plate from behind, until the screw is snug against the felt. To ensure that the screw head is not visible and the metal of the screw does not rattle against the window pane, we take this felt point and stick it centrally on the back of the screw head. Press firmly all around with your thumb and index finger, and the screw is gone. We do the same on the other side. Insert the screw, turn it around, and tighten it firmly. The mounting plate and the pocket can be used specifically on both the driver and passenger sides. Also, if I want to mount the plate on the other side now, I simply insert the screw through the plate from the back and then tighten it. The screw connection can now be easily loosened again. The threaded bolts are firmly anchored in the plate and can no longer fall out. The mounting plate is now completely prepared, and we can go outside to the car and install the pocket. The mounting plate is designed to fit precisely into the rear side window of the VW California or the VW Multivan. At the bottom, we have a flexible and soft felt tab and 2 sturdy and durable white tabs. The surrounding soft felt edge ensures that the plate seals completely light tight in the window. The plate is now carefully pushed upwards behind the sunshade, pressed firmly and securely against the window, and gently pulled downwards so that the 2 white tabs snap into the gap between the window pane and the trim. The felt tab has automatically positioned itself in the correct direction. Now we run our finger along the outer edge so that the felt lays light tight in the gap between the window pane and the trim. There is a special feature with the VW Multivan. Unlike the VW California, it does not have a blackout blind but a sunshade, which is pulled from bottom to top and hooked into such holding points at the top. 2001. But it serves the same purpose. We simply slide our mounting plate behind these holding points. For the VW Multivan, 2 additional plastic elements that attach and push behind the retaining clip of the sunshade. This ensures more stability and security. Next, our 3 foam elements come into play. They are made from a very firm cellular rubber and are simply clamped between the sunshade and the mounting plate. This way, the mounting plate is held firmly against the window, cannot rattle, and our pocket gets a secure fit. If not already done, we now remove the screws with the clamping plates so that we can finally install our window pocket. Velcro straps are securely sewn onto the bottom and back of the pocket. The Velcro strap is used to carefully position the pocket on the felt tab and hold it securely in place. There are 2 holes at the top for the carriage bolts. The pocket is now simply placed on the felt tab and simply pressed into the window opening at the top. The two threaded bolts have been carefully inserted through our holes and can now be securely secured with the clamping plates and the wing screws. We already know how to do this. Attach the clamping plate so you can read the 50 degrees north label and tighten the wing screw firmly. The fact the logo should be readable is significant. On the back of the plate has a recess that accommodates the square of the bolt. If you were to place the plate the wrong way around, it would not be properly secured. Now, briefly smooth out the Velcro strip on the back so that it lies flat against the felt plate and the pocket sits securely and firmly in the window.